In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can copy layouts from one Squarespace website to another, layouts, sections, and whole pages, so that you can take advantage of all of the Squarespace free templates and also learn how to migrate content from one site to another. So we do this very often for clients and for our internal projects. So let's say you want to create one master template that has all of the layouts that you've ever built for client. And you can put all of these layouts into one site and use it as a starter template to build more Squarespace site. Or if you're working on a project for yourself, you can have the master page of all of the layouts that you've built, and you can reuse them across the site and other sites that you will create. So I'm inside a Squarespace trial site that I just created, and I have created 2 trial sites. They're going to show you how you can move these sections, these layouts between the sites. So you could go through the whole Squarespace library of free templates and move these sections into the same template. And why would you do that? To simplify your process. So here, first option is doing it with Squarespace's own default tools. Inside the edit section settings, you have a save section option. If you press it, you can save the section to this site or your account. And you get this option only if you are a Circle member of Squarespace. So we could save this to our account. And then when we're here, we can simply reload the last section that we created. Of course, it's going to use the settings of this particular site, but it's a way to move sections between sites using the default tools. But in order to do that, you need to be a Squarespace Circle member. Another option is using this beautiful extension that's called Squarespace Website Tools Pro. Our agency has been using this extension for about 5 years now, or even more. And what it does, it allows you moving layouts between one site to another, moving blogs, product pages, and individual sections. So, and here's how it works. I'm going to save this for now. Open up this extension. Right now it's enabled. It has a lot of features, but in order to use it, let's say I want to move this page. So I'll go to pages and I will click get collection data. Press OK, go back to the previous site and press create from data. If I press shift, it's going to create a page in the not linked section of my pages tab. It takes a while. You have to wait for a few minutes. Now it's done, and let's see. Here's our second home, the full layout, the full page. Another option is we need to enable like all of these options. File manager, update, and also enable UI tweaks. So now we can copy section directly from here. Let me show it to you on a different page. So copy section. So this is not the functionality of Squarespace. This is a functionality of this amazing plugin. Copy section, go back to the previous site, and I can paste the section, insert the section anywhere I want. So that's how you can build your own pages using the default Squarespace templates, copying and pasting all of the layouts that you want from the free trials you create, and also move whole sections, whole pages from one side to another. I hope you found this helpful. By the way, I'm Olga. I run Applet Studio. It's a Squarespace web design company and template brand. I have amazing Squarespace freebies for you. Check out the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.